What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Trish on the track. And today, I'm finna be showing y'all how I navigate Logic and make my melodies and drum patterns in Logic Pro X. First thing you wanna go ahead and do is hit that plus and click MIDI. This is how you put your instruments down. I typically start with the piano, so that's what we're gonna do. Pick your BPM. Alright, so this is the shortcut. Basically, I want to add another layer to this, but I don't want it to be on the one I just previously recorded. So I'm going to hit Command D, and that duplicates the channel that I just had, and I'm going to build off of that. Now what I'm doing is I click the pencil, then I go into here, and this is how you zoom in, zoom out, and then I'm dragging these like so to give it a better sound. So that's our keys so far. Now I'm gonna hit the plus again, add another instrument. Now it's time to lay down these drums. So the first thing you want to do for the drums, to lay them down, hit the plus button, hit create, and then hit this button up here, this button right here, hit instrument. The way I like to do my drums is I do a drum machine designer. So click drum machine designer, and then like all your kits, you should have them up here in your files. Go to your files, mine on my desktop. Shout out to the bro Blue Boy P for his drum kit, and then just drag your sounds into the kit. You feel me? And then you can mess with the volume and stuff. But that's the basics of it. basically the beat. You just gotta arrange it. If you like this video and found it useful, man, hit that subscribe button and tap that like button. Also, I am starting a community to where I show how I make my beats, my melodies, how to play piano, how to play drums, how to DJ, how to mix DJ sounds. So if you like to produce, if you like to DJ, if you like to play drums, or if you want to learn how to play drums or play the piano or do anything music, join my community. It's free. Link is in the description. I'll see you on the next one.